guys, heads in again. On the right hand side. Blue zone, you guys can have it. Down to the left, guys.
Okay, crew, welcome aboard. My name is Ace Speedman, and I am your captain. Professor Sam Rhodes.
Hi again.
Will be navigating, and when it comes to fish, she really knows her stuff. As you know, your mission today is to travel to the lost city of Atlantis and learn about the amazing underwater creatures living there. We're just completing our final checks, and then we'll be on our way.
Squid 542, clear to depart Bay 8 Gamma.
Copy that, Squid Control. Hold on, everyone. Here we go.
It looks like we're approaching the coral reef.
Location, coral reef.
Looks like you're right, Professor.
Wow, Captain, there must be hundreds of fish here. Crew, the buttons that just lit up in front of you are your control buttons. Press them now to start the fish scanner.
You press the button. You press the button.
Okay, researchers, you see those colourful stripy fish? They are known as sergeant majors because they have stripes like a real sergeant major would wear. They are usually found in shallow reefs, and when they are guarding their eggs, they turn slightly blue.
I've seen fish like that before, except they seem to be a different colour.
Most of the pink, orange and yellow fish found in coral reefs are just like this fish, and they are called amphias, although the colour of each fish is slightly different depending on where in the world they live. They like to swim in groups, and there are usually 10 times as many female fish as there are male fish.
Wow, that's really big. Oh, look how close it's coming.
We have nearly arrived.
Big shark.
Crew, it seems we've nearly reached the ruins of Atlantis, so keep your eyes peeled.
Captain, what is that?
That, Professor, is what we've come to see. Welcome, Squid researchers, to the lost city of Atlantis.
Researchers, can you see the zebra sharks roaming amongst the ruins?
Those sharks are spotty, not stripy, so why are they called zebra sharks?
The sharks we can see are adult zebra sharks. They may have spots now, but were actually born with stripes. The biggest zebra sharks can be up to 2.5 meters long, wider than this submarine. But they are really friendly. They don't seem to be taking any notice of those Lego divers.
What about those grey sharks?
What grey sharks? Computer, identify.
That is a toaster shark.
Like a shark.
I've never heard of a toaster shark before. Researchers, look at the picture on the screen. Can you help the computer find the correct shark by pressing the control button which matches your answer?
Identified black tip reef shark.
Well done, crew. You must have all spotted the black tip on the shark's dorsal fin, which is how this creature gets its name. They may look scary, but are actually pretty sharp.
What's he doing up there? Yeah. There's a mermaid on the floor.
Attention, squid researchers. For your information, due to the welfare of the sea life, flash photography is prohibited throughout the Atlantis facility, including within the submarine. Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh, look. Whoa, went into a different zone now.
Crew, we're entering the Coral Cove. Very colourful.
You're right there, Captain.
Oh, yeah, Ben.
Chief, can you see the bright yellow fish called yellow tang? In the wild, they feed on algae, although yellow-tang kept in home aquariums have enjoyed eating lettuce and even peas.
Memory full.
Okay, crew. Looks like it's time to head back to base. Computer, prepare to surface.
Analyzing.
Captain, if we don't head back now, we'll lose all of the team's research.
Sounds like our computer has fallen asleep. Team, you are going to have to help us get the submarine back to base. You've got control of the forward pumps. On my command, press your control buttons to switch them off. It's all up to you now. Ready? Now.
Cruise 542, radar contact confirmed. Welcome back.
We're here, look. We're back.
Well, crew, you did it. You're true heroes. Now head over to the Sea Life Discovery Zone. Hey, Speedman, over
Wait for that.
and out.
Good boy, there you go.
Great job.
No back coffee, please, in the Atlantis building.
They're training it. Hopefully they're going to train them.
I don't like that.